Yeah, so I think tying to a lot of other elements of our discussion, I'm really excited about participating in a truly global event. So health tech historically has been too focused on just a few countries, like the US in particular. It's really great to see more diversification of the health tech and AI health discussion and innovation around the world, especially when we're talking about AI and health as such an emerging and important topic. So it's great to be a summit. It's great to see a summit like this being held in Dubai. The UAE and the Middle East region has been making major strides on digital and AI and health. I also like that the summit is bringing together a multi-sectoral group of leaders from other parts of the globe, from across Europe, India, East Asia, and other places. So I think that the potential for international collaboration in health has been so enabled by the advent of AI and digital health. So I think it's really important to have these kind of convenings right now. And in particular on the timing, it's such a key inflection point. The potential of AI in health has now been well established, and there's now momentum building from innovation and initiatives around the world. It's still early days overall, but I think we're now at a point where we're reaching critical mass and can start finding ways to generate value at scale and reimagine health systems more holistically. So it won't be easy, but it's the right timing, and convenings like this really create that space for the right discussions among the leaders and experts in this field. And in terms of what I would say what I really want to do, rather than in addition to sharing insights, I really want to learn from this summit. So I want to be able to interact with these organizations from around the world and understand how are they advancing AI in health? What kind of challenges are they encountering, in real implementation of this innovation? And what are the strategies and practical approaches they're taking to get around that and really, make it a reality? And especially, how are they collaborating? How are different organizations working together to make this happen?